Hello, Gina, and everybody over at Iowa Central Electric. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I want to get this video made and sent over to you guys, showing how you guys can increase your traffic to your guys' website and turn that traffic into actual paying customers. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We have your guys' website. Great looking website. I see you guys really focus on the fact that you're agricultural electricians, focusing on grain bins and all the electric that goes into it, for the feed mills, for the conveyor belts, whatever it may be, right? That's awesome that you guys focus on that. But other than that, you guys don't have a lot of content. I do notice in the content that you do have, you have electrical contractors. That's probably one really good one. We can figure out what search volume is for that. You have it up there as well as right here. So you have targeted your keywords in your content. You just need a lot more content with more keywords. And one way we can figure that out is going into a tool like this, like we like to use. It's called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that we use. There is free versions out there. Google offers their own for keyword research. It's, backlinks as well. But we like to use this. It gives us an overall guideline pretty well. It looks like roughly you're getting 2 traffic to your website. I don't think that's 100% accurate. I would assume you guys get a little more than that. Like I said, not 100% accurate, but it's a good guideline to go off of. We can figure out what keywords you guys actually are using in your website right now and what kind of traffic and volume that brings to you guys every single month. So Iowa Electrical, that's 150. That's a good one to have. Alden, Iowa, 1,100, right? Iowa Central, 5,000 searches. That's all great, but we don't have a ton of electrician stuff, right? We have electrician Sheffield. I won't say that. I probably said it wrong. That's getting 40. Electrician Iowa is getting 70. So we want to go out and find all of the keywords that are really high search volume that are going to draw more traffic to our site. And one way we can do that is taking your top competition. So when we search electricians Iowa on Google My Business or Google search engines, right, we have a couple that pop up, right? So we've got 413 reviews for Mr. Electric. We've got 423 reviews. So these guys are all getting really high reviews and really trusted. So Google powers them up and puts them to the top. So we want to go out and get reviews and stuff as well. This is the Google My Business Map Pack or Google Map Pack portion of the search engine. But first things first, we're going to cover this custom electrical, right? They're at the top. They're doing something great. So we take their URL, just like we did for you guys, and we're going to copy and paste that into Ahrefs. We want to figure out what keywords they're using, what kind of traffic that's getting, and we can copy and paste it more or less. We can take all the keywords that they have and put it into our content, because if it's working for them, why not make it work for you guys? They're targeting things like electrical services. That's getting 6,400 search volume every single month, right? Another one, electrical services, good. Custom electrical services, 600 search volume. What's another one? Custom electrical, copper wiring. That's getting 2,200 searches every month. We want to grab all these big search volume keywords and start stuffing those into our content. Same thing for backlinks, right? We can go and figure out what kinds of backlinks that these guys are getting. We can figure out what domains that they're being hosted on. We can go out and target all the same ones as well. We have certain kinds of backlinks that we want. We have no follow, we have do follow, we have citations, and we have guest posts and link use as well. I'm not going to go into too much on all of them, but I will go into citations. Citations are anywhere online that you guys are hosting, name, phone number, address, location. Those are all considered citations. Something like Yellow Page, right? Or we also have guest post, which is something along the lines of, let's see here. I think they have one. They've got to have one. They've got all these citations right here. We can go on and on and on and on for days. We're looking for all these citations, backlinks that these guys have. But I was looking for a guest post here. BBB, the Better Business Bureau. That's a great guest post to have. It's also a citation as well. It's super powerful. And Chamber of Commerce ones are a really good guest post. So we want to go in and figure out what these guys have for backlinks and keywords and stuff, and we want to start implementing them into our website. And after we do all of that, we can really start to triple, if not quadruple, search volume going to our website every single month, and Google will start boosting our rankings to the top, which gets more people to find you guys. So with that being said, everybody over at Iowa Central Electric, again, my name is Josh. I hope this video was found helpful for you guys. You can start implementing these. If not, if you guys don't have time or don't want to do it, feel free to reach back out to us. But this is just a quick informative video showing you guys how you can start to do it. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.